Dental bridges cost comparison with Europe and Turkey. Dental bridges are the most common solution to replace teeth that are missing. They aid in restoring the appearance of your smile and enhance your oral health overall. The cost for bridges for your teeth can differ depending upon where you live. In this short video, we'll look at the price of dental bridges within Europe as well as Turkey so that you can make an informed choices about which location to seek this treatment. Cost of dental bridges in Europe. In Europe, there is a cost associated with dental bridges varies greatly in relation to the country you live in as well as the facility where you are treated. In general, the price for a dental bridge in Europe is ranging from 500 to 3,000 euros for each tooth. This includes the price of the bridge itself and the components used and also the time of the dentist. Countries such as Germany as well as the UK as well as Switzerland generally have more expensive rates in dental bridges because of the high price of living and excellent quality of dental treatment. In these nations, there is a chance paying between 1,500 to 3,000 euros per tooth for a bridge made of dental material. In contrast, nations like Poland, Hungary, and Czech Republic offer more affordable rates for dental bridges which range from 500 to 1,000 euros for each tooth. Cost of dental bridges in Turkey. Turkey has grown to be a well-known location for dental tourism thanks to its top-quality dental services for a reasonable price. The price of dental bridges in Turkey are significantly less expensive compared to Europe and makes it an economical choice for people who require dental services. In Turkey, there is a cost for a dental bridge ranges from 200 to 800 euros for each tooth. It includes the exact parts as Europe, that is, the bridge along with the dental materials and work. The cheaper cost of the dental bridges available in Turkey is because of the low cost of living as well as an exchange rate favorable. Advantages of getting dental bridges in Turkey. There are numerous benefits of using dental bridges in Turkey. The first is that the savings can be huge, in particular for patients who require multiple replacement teeth. If you undergo dental treatments in Turkey and saving thousands of euros when compared with having the same treatment in Europe. Additionally, Turkey is home to several highly trained and experienced dentists who have been trained in the most advanced dental methods as well as the latest dental technology. Expect to receive the highest quality care for your teeth in well-equipped and modern dentists. In third place, the dental tourism industry in Turkey is already well established, and there are several clinics catering to patients from abroad. There is a wide range of the English-speaking personnel and assist when making travel arrangements, making your experience with dental treatments in Turkey seamless and easy. Conclusion. In the end, the price of bridges for teeth in Turkey are significantly less expensive in comparison to Europe and makes Turkey a desirable option for people who want affordable but high-quality dental services. When you choose to buy dental bridges from Turkey, will allow you to lower your costs while maintaining the quality of your treatment. Explore all the options available and study different clinics in order to locate the most suitable one for your needs as well as your budget. The health of your mouth and smile are well worth the money, making an informed option when purchasing dental bridges.